Hello everyone, I am Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss a topic called conditional operators. Okay, so we can say the conditional operators are also called as ternary operator because you are going to check whether the particular expression will produce a true or false. Okay, so the conditional operators are question mark followed by colon are called conditional operators. The other name of conditional operators are also called ternary operator. Ternary, three things. Okay, ternary, binary means two, ternary means three. Okay, and we could say it is a shorter form of if then else statement. Those who are already aware of C programming, they might know what is if then else. But if you are new to this C programming language, you don't know what is if then else, then leave as it is. But the other form of if then else, we can say it as a conditional operator. The syntax is very simple. You are evaluating one expression, the result of the expression which produce either expression 2 or expression 3. That's why question mark. If it is true, expression 2 is evaluated or printed. If it is false, the expression 3 will be returned. That is what they have given in the explanation. If expression 1 is true, then the value returned will be expression 2. Otherwise, the value returned will be expression 3. Okay. So, question mark and then colon. You are evaluating an expression in expression 1. The result of the expression is either expression 2 or expression 3. The reason is if you are evaluating the expression 1, if it is true, expression 2 will be printed. If it is false, expression 3 will be printed. We'll see with a basic program. Look at this example. Look at the left hand side. Hash include stdio.h followed by int main function. You are declaring two local variable, one is an x, another one is an y. By using scanf statement, you are getting an input value for the x, and y equals, you are having one expression x greater than 5. This is an expression. If x value is greater than 5, 3 will be assigned to y. If x value is not greater than 5, 4 will be assigned to a y. So I hope you will understand that. So this is expression 1. So in expression 2, just 3 is assigning. In expression 3, 4 is assigning. So this is just because of giving equals operator, the output value will be assigned to y. And if you print what is the y value, you can use printf statement. This is, as I said, as like your if else. Okay, as like your if else. So the same program I have written in a if else format. There are two inputs x and y. You are reading the input by using x. If x value is greater than 5, the y is assigned with 3. If x value is not greater than 5, then y is assigned with 4. Those who already know a C program, you can understand. But if you are not able to know the C program already, then that just leave it. But the purpose of writing the code is, I am saying it is another form of if else. Okay. So this is called conditional operator. One question mark and colon. We'll see with another example. So look at this example very clearly. Header file, no problem. Main function. There are three local variables, a, b, and max is also a local variable. You are printing the value of a and b. This is just a statement, printf statement. You are passing input through scanf statement. Once A and B value gets loaded, it will check with the condition A greater than B. As per your logic, this is expression 1. If A is greater than B, okay, then A will be printed, else B will be printed. This is the next line. Okay, so after semicolon, printf the largest of two number is, which number is largest, that will get printed. So according to the input, this is A and this is B. The value B will get printed. So look at that, A greater than B, question mark is a condition. If A is greater, true, A expression 2 will be printed. If it is false, B will be printed. The value will be assigned to the variable max. This program is similar to the previous program. Okay, so this is a very important point. And sir, is it possible to find only the maximum of two numbers? By using conditional operators, you can find maximum of three numbers. How? What is the logic of maximum of three number? There are three variables A, B, C. A has to check with B and A has to check with C. If both the thing, the condition is greater, A is greater than B as well as, okay, or else we can say and A is greater than C. Okay, so A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then only A is greater. So I am using ternary operator. Two times I am using ternary operator, question mark colon and question mark colon. Okay, very simple. A greater than B and A greater than C. This is also one type of operator. Okay, so if both the condition is true, A will be printed. If the condition is false, it will jump to this expression. What is this expression? This is just checking B greater than C. If the condition is true, B is greater, else the C is greater. Two times, for example, expression 1 checking, if it is true, expression 2 will be printed, else expression 3 has some condition. So that's why if you go and look at the syntax carefully, expression 1 is evaluated based on expression 2 and expression 3. So either you can print a constant value or else you can again evaluate another expression. According to this concept, I am checking one expression A greater than B and A greater than C, and if the result is true, I will directly say A is greater, else I am checking the condition because there is a possibility either B is greater or C is greater. So it will check the condition B greater than C. So B is greater or C is greater. So in this way only you can utilize the operations. Okay, so I will directly deal with an example. So look at this, the same program, 3 variable, it will ask a 3 value. I will give 15 and then, or else I will rerun the code. I will give 15 and then I will give 10 and then I will give 8. Now according to the condition A greater than B, 15 greater than 10, A is greater, A greater than C, 15 greater than 8, again A is greater. So if both the condition is true, expression 1 A will be evaluated. If any of the condition gets false, it will go and check B greater than C, and if any of the B greater than C is a 1 expression, either it will be B is greater or C is greater. So after performing this, maximum 15, 10 and 8, the value 15 will be printed. The maximum is a variable which stores the value after evaluating carefully evaluating this expression. So the concept is crystal clear, question mark followed by colon, but you can use n number of times. Okay, ternary operator. There are three things, three expression 1, 2, 3. So or else we can say three operands. You can use three different operands also. Whatever the thing, we can evaluate same three times in a single value. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and you can check the bell button. Sorry, you can press the bell button also. You can subscribe my channel, and if you really like the video, please leave it in the comment whatever the topics I should cover. Thank you all.